Hey everyone, Chris Dreyer here and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be inking The Horrible Hand from Freaks and Gods Volume 2, Number 4. This is a relatively short ink, but a real fun one. This character lends itself to a great line variation and feathering that helps create form, mass, and shape, which is helpful when you're just a floating hand. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I just ask you to be respectful, and I'll do my best to answer it. And as per usual, please like and subscribe and click that bell for notifications. So, enough of my talking, let's get to inking.